Hey there, friends. Today, kind of doing an unboxing on another children's camera. It's quite similar to one I've done before, but why not? These things are a pretty good little gift. So, usually I do unboxings on whatever I get. So, here we go. Let's check it out. This runs about $36 on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to check it out. Oops, what did I drop there? All right, so here we have an instruction manual. Okay. It comes with a micro SD USB card reader. That's pretty cool. If you don't have one, saves you a trip to Walmart or something to go pick one up. That's a pretty handy little thing. It comes with a micro USB to USB charger cord. A pink lanyard or strap that you can attach to the camera. So we have a tiny, it's a 32 gigabyte SD memory card, and it's got a cute little face on there if you guys can see that. That's pretty good size, 32 gig. You can take a lot of pictures. All right, and here is the camera itself. So this little goodie, it looks like a little cat there. I guess that's what they're looking for. It's super soft, like a nice silicone cover here. Imagine if you drop this thing, looks like it's pretty well armored with silicone all over. It seems super kid friendly as there's like no sharp points on here. If I were concerned about anything, it might be this part right here is a little bit of a hard plastic, but other than that, I mean, this is like fairly squishy here. Okay, so that cover comes off. Here on the side, we have the micro USB port and the micro SD card there. I assume you put that in there, and then you can put this cover on there, and the kids won't be able to, well, if they take that off, they'll be able to mess with it, but that should keep it fairly protected. Let's see if we can turn this thing on here. Sometimes they come with a battery charge. Power. Helps if I push the power button, right? Oh, there we go. So cool. It has a little, hope you can see this little welcome screen with some different little apps on there. So one is a picture, one has a camera, one has play. So if we go over to, let's say, the picture. Okay. Right now we're showing a video. Maybe I can do a video of the video of me there. It seems to be decent quality on that screen there. Pretty cool, actually. It's pretty clear. So there's that. And it shows the date. The battery's actually full on there. And it tells me it has no card in there. So pretty detailed. And let's check out. Let's go back here. If we can't go back, can we go back? Okay, it says no card if I try to do like try to record or take a picture with the top button here. So we'll need to put that in. Okay, this one it's got a front and a back camera, and that can be accessed with this button here. I will normally just do like an unboxing video and kind of check out the product, show you what's in there. I'm going to be doing a review pretty soon here, and I'll show you the full capabilities. Throw some videos up here from the actual phone itself, and that way you guys can check it out. So this will go on here. Not if it's for a little bit older kids, this cord is kind of a good idea, but I don't know, for like a little toddler, I wouldn't want a cord on there, but it's easily to remove if you don't want that. So that's pretty cool. Let's see if we can turn it off here. It says bye bye. You know what? I wonder if this one has games on it. I've seen one before, it has games on it. Sorry about that. I'll fire this thing back up here. Dun, dun, dun. Oops, maybe hold it down. Oh, there we go. Welcome. And yeah, actually does appear to have some games here. Let's see if we can check those out real quick. All right, yeah, so it has a little snake game. It has Tetris. That's a staple. I love Tetris. I used to play Tetris like forever. Push box game. Oh, there's pretty cool. And so those three looks like push box, Tetris, and snake game. Let's see what else they have here. Let's go back. Oops, I'm playing the game there. All right, maybe settings. Let's go to settings. Capture timer 5 seconds, resolution 1080, English. So it's got a bunch of different settings here you can change. Format, date, time, system reset. Okay, so pretty neat little camera here. I think your kids will get the basics of having to use a real camera, since this is a real camera, just not like super burly. Anyways, thanks for watching this unboxing. I will be doing a review and further demonstration of this camera once I figure it all out and show you guys that. So thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time. I'll leave a link in the description below to the review demonstration when I finish that. So everyone have a great day out there, and we will see you next time.